This webinar will be covering aspects preparation checks function. Let us begin. Preparation checks are useful when we have certain tasks that need to be completed before a job can start. They are typically done for the next job while the current job is running. On the side of the tablet, we will find the preparation check button. Once selected, we will see all checks in the middle of the tablet. Checking off the status of each preparation check will change the color of the bar on the scheduler. No checks will show red. All checks done will be green, and for only a few checks done, graduating colors like yellow or orange will display. If checks are not required to be carried out on specific jobs, we can select to ignore them. Check the selection box and save the task. We can set it that jobs cannot be started unless checks are completed. This is done in Preparation Checks under Setup on the left menu bar. This is where we can create all the preparation checks and rearrange them with the arrows on the side. To create a preparation check, we select Add, then we need to define the ID, a description, and choose a group to allocate the checks to. These groups can be allocated to specific work centers, so their checks are unique to the machines. We will cover groups and allocating them in another lesson. The default group should be General. This group should be used if the checks are common, regardless of the work center. These are like default checks. A good way to use the preparation checks is to incorporate checks like material available, material picked, material issued to work center. This way the scheduler can get a glimpse of the jobs on the schedule that are ready or green, and move jobs around accordingly if they are almost or not ready. The preparation check status can also be viewed and edited from the schedule. This is done by right-clicking on the job and selecting preparation checks. We can then see the following from the colors on the schedule. Note, to see preparation checks, the job colors must be set to preparation checks. M01, material is in store and has been picked. It has not, however, been issued to the work center. Then on work center, M04, the next job after current running in the schedule, has no material in store. The job after that, however, does, and it has been picked. The scheduler can reschedule these jobs. M09 and M10 show material is available in store. The store should pick and issue to work center. M11 shows no material in store. This is just one way we could use the schedule and preparation checks to improve process and visibility. This brings us to the end of this webinar. We hope the information and examples provided here have been beneficial to you.